Did you know that the Grove is one of the most picturesque golf communities here in Tennessee, attracting both visitors and residents alike? Well, today you'll be going ahead and discovering everything you need to know about the Grove here in College Grove, Tennessee. From its stunning landscape to its exceptional amenities, you'll be able to get the inside scoop, the look into what is this exclusive gated community and whether or not it's a right fit for you and your family. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Now, the Grove is nestled just outside of the charming town of Franklin. This is an exclusive 1,100 acre gated community and one of the very few gated communities that happens to be here in Nashville. And it offers a very unique blend of both rural beauty and upscale amenities. Join me today as we go ahead and we dive into the actual history of the location, the extraordinary lifestyle that the Grove offers and provides to its residents. Now, developed with an eye for elegance and quality living, the Grove actually began taking shape in the early 2000s and was designed to offer unmatched living with a focus on a family-friendly luxury lifestyle. Now, one of the things that I just absolutely love is right behind me. This is a fully stocked fishing pond, and when you're out here on the weekends or late afternoons, you can see the families going ahead and casting out their line, doing a catch and release. And oh my gosh, in the early mornings like right now, it is so peaceful. I already saw fish jumping in and out of the water. So it's definitely one of those places that you can go ahead and partake in that outdoor lifestyle, but still being very close to everything that is Nashville. One of its standout features happens to be its locations. We're literally only 20 minutes from downtown Franklin, the historic gym that has that vibrant main street and cultural festivities. For your wine enthusiasts, the award-winning Arrington Vineyards is just a stone's throw away, offering a spot for a amazing, relaxing weekend outing. And for those that frequent the bustling cityscape, downtown Nashville with its rich music scene and lifestyle is only about 30 to 40 minutes away. But what truly sets the Grove apart is its amenities. This gated community doesn't just promise luxury, it delivers on encompassing all different types of lifestyles, and I'm excited to share that with you. All right, let's start with the golf enthusiast. The Grove features a stunning 18-hole Greg Norman signature golf course and hosts golf events annually each year, including being the home of the Corn Ferry Tour Simmons Bank Open as well. Let's take a moment and just take a look at everything that it's around us, right? This is one of many trails that happens to be throughout the Grove. I've seen runners that just have gone by, a family that was on their bikes doing a Sunday ride. This is the type of lifestyle that you can expect at the Grove. You're not just going ahead and buying a home or another country club membership. This happens to be a lifestyle in the beautiful area of Tennessee. Now, the Manor House here is a focal point for social life. It's home for your fine dining restaurant. You've got a general store. You've got a Rosemary spa. So whether you're going ahead and looking to unwind over a meal or pick up some essentials or indulge in a spa day, Manor House has got a good spot for all of those things. And then on top of that, that's not the only restaurant that you've got here at the Grove as well. That's hop over to the other spot where you can go ahead and get a bite to eat as well. And it doesn't stop there. For my horse lovers and my equestrian friends, the Grove offers state-of-the-art facilities catering to all levels of riding, and there are miles and miles of riding trails that literally weave through the community for a perfect morning ride. Now, family life definitely thrives here at the Grove, and that's for a couple different reasons. First and foremost, Grove happens to be located in College Grove, which is in Williamson County, and Williamson County has been ranked time and time again as one of the #1 places to raise your family and one of the #1 places to send your kids to school. Grove actually is zoned for one of the best schools that Williamson County has to offer, Page Middle and Page High. And then on top of that, again, let's go ahead and talk amenities. You've got 2 amazing pools, you've got tennis courts, pickleball courts, you've got an array of different community events, as well as a fully stocked catch and release lake. So there's always something happening here at the Grove for you and your family. Each home over here at the Grove is meticulously designed to offer both privacy and that community feel, with the architecture that's complementing the natural beauty of Tennessee. Now, style of your home and the price of your home is all going to vary, just dependent on obviously your builder, your lot that you go ahead and choose, but you can typically go ahead and expect the prices to range from anywhere between $2 million to $6 million, just depending on what you guys go ahead and choose for you and your family. Now, before we go on to the next thing, let me just point out, we are literally filming on the exact same day, but this is Nashville for you. Notice how you've suddenly got those blue skies, that beautiful sun behind me. That's what you can expect at Nashville. Sometimes you got that Seattle gray, and then you got the beautiful sun that pops out on the exact same day. Alrighty, let's pop it over to the next thing. On top of everything else that we've already talked about, we are over here at the second restaurant that the Grove happens to offer for its residents. This is the Bridge Bar, right? You've got a pool house over here with a lane pool for swimmers. You've got park and pickleball courts and tennis courts. You've got some additional amazing amenities on top of everything else that we talked about for you to be able to go ahead and enjoy the luxury lifestyle of Tennessee and College Grove. If you're dreaming of a home that offers both tranquility and an active community life, the Grove might be exactly what you're looking for. Hey, let me go ahead and just thank you real fast for going ahead and watching this video. My name is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, and really your resource for all things Nashville. So if you're thinking the Grove might be a good fit for you, or you're thinking about moving in the next 9 days or the next 90, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and really just make this be the easiest, smoothest process for you. Hey, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you turn on that notification bell. Alrighty guys, see you on the next video.